Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my new monthly tradition. I am going over what I got in my BOXYCHARM box. I already looked because my self-control is like 0. I looked through this yesterday and I'm very excited for everything that I got. And I'm going to do a little try-on haul for everything. So if you want to see what I got in my August BOXYCHARM box, then please keep watching. So jumping right in, this month's theme was very cute if you ask me. This is the spa, glamping, sunbathe, yoga, and slumber theme this month. Also, if you don't know what BOXYCHARM is, it is a monthly subscription for makeup, skincare, hair product, nails. You pay $25 a box, and there's 3 different levels of boxes. I just get the BOXYCHARM base box, but I know there is a BOXYCHARM Luxy and a BOXYCHARM Premium, which is obviously a little more money, and I think one of those boxes comes once every 3 months, but you get a lot more in it. Each BOXYCHARM base box comes with 5 full-size products, and you are guaranteed a value of at least $120 in each box. Each box is like personalized towards you. Once you sign up for BOXYCHARM, you take a little survey for BOXYCHARM to get to know what you like, what you are interested in, and your shades. And if you have never tried it, I highly suggest it. I love it. And yeah, let's jump right in. First item on my list, which I am so excited about. I've wanted to try this for so long. This is the Glam Glow Moisturizer Trip Omega Rich Moisturizer. And look at the packaging. Isn't it so freaking precious? I'm so obsessed. It says apply evenly to clean face and neck morning and or night as part of your usual skincare regimen. I've always wanted to try Glam Glow, but it's bougie. I have got another Glam Glow product in my box, but it was just like a mask, and I'm just not really like into masks. It looks so creamy. Kind of smells like just your everyday moisturizer. It feels super soft and creamy. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. This feels heavenly. I literally just want to take that and put it all over my whole body. That is amazing. And now I understand why Glam Glow is so expensive, because their products live up to it. And this heavenly little product is $54. So right there, I've already doubled what I've paid for my box for this month. So okay, I'm back. As you can see, I did the base of my makeup, so I can jump right into all the rest of the products. So up next, we have the Better London Teddy Boy 9-piece eyeshadow palette. So this is how it looks. It's pretty cute fall packaging. It says a highly pigmented 9-piece eyeshadow palette featuring highly versatile cool tone neutral hues. Create an array of looks with the matte, shimmer, and metallic shades that complement all skin tones. And this item is cruelty free, so that's always a plus. I'm gonna dip into it, but I already know that I'm gonna give this to my neighbor. She was over last night and she loved it, so I'm gonna give it to her. But this palette was MSRP'd at $28. I'm gonna hold off on that because next product is the Morphe I Got This brush set, which is pretty cute. I got this brush set. Get it? It comes with 4 brushes, an oval shadow brush, a pro firm blending crease brush, a tapered mini blender brush, and an angle liner brush. So these are what they look like. I've never had a Morphe brush, but I've heard that they are very good and they're pretty affordable. So I'm excited to use these. I'm gonna use these with my eyeshadow palette that I just showed you guys. These brushes were MSRP'd at $12. So I'm gonna use the Morphe crease blending brush. I don't really work with cool tones that often, so I kind of knew this. So we're just gonna jump right into this Simon shade right here. Ooh, it's very fallouty. And we're just going to put this all in our crease. As I noticed right off the bat, this brush is not the softest, but you can see that this cool tone crease shade is blending out pretty nicely. It's just weird to see because I don't really use cool tones all that often, so different for sure. We're just gonna create some random look. I don't even know what I'm going for, but we're just gonna do it. Next, I'm gonna jump into this color. Let's go Freddy, I guess. I've never played with blues, but let's do it. I don't even know what I'm doing. We're gonna find out together, okay? And I think I'm just gonna maybe start off placing it on the outer part of my eye, but I think I just might do the whole entire lid, just because why the heck about not? And if you can hear a mower going, that's my husband outside mowing, so let's just ignore that, you know? God, cool tones just looks, I'm just like, I never knew there was really a difference, but I am shook right now, okay? Shook. I'm gonna take this shadow brush and go in with this Archie color. It's like a white shimmer. I might just have to go in with my finger. Shimmers always just work best with the finger. We'll see how this works though. And I'm just gonna place this like on the middle part of my lid. It didn't work bad, but I'm gonna see how it does with my finger. Oh yeah, so much better. I'm just gonna go ahead and take that Freddie and Simon, kind of mix them together, and then run them on the lower lash line. This is very interesting. I'm also taking that shimmer color and placing it in the inner corner of my eye just to give it a little more pop. Hi, hubby. Okay, there's how my eye look turned out. I can tell you right now, I am not a cool tone fan gal. I never realized until just now that I've never done like a cool tone look. I'm always wearing warm tone shades. Now I understand why, because I don't know, I guess I don't vibe with the cool tones. But other people do, and that is fine, so I'm glad I got to show kind of what it looks like. Yeah. So there's that. Next on our list, we have the Real Her Definer Brow Pencil. And it says, I am inspiring, again, you know, with the eye. It has the pencil liner on one side, the spoolie on the other. So we are, of course, gonna go in and do our brows. This is certified cruelty-free, paraben-free, waterproof, and vegan. I'm just gonna brush my brows up to line them. It has a micro tip pencil that allows you to create individual like hairs for a subtle or bold brow look. Its creamy wax-based formulation glides beautifully and naturally on the skin. This waterproof pencil is stress-free to help you through any challenges you face in life. Kind of dramatic, but okay. Okay, as you can tell, I'm not done yet. I have one more product to test out, and I'm sure you can guess it's probably brows because I'm not finishing. But yeah, I actually really liked that. It was super easy to glide and control. I didn't feel like I was having to press very hard. Like I literally was just like gliding and it was so smooth going on. So I actually really like that product. And I don't know if I said, but this eyebrow pencil was $16. And then our last product is this Milk Makeup Cush Fiber Brow Gel. So this is what the boxing looks like. I've never used Milk Makeup before, but I've heard good things about it. This brow gel was $20, so let me test it out and try it on for you. A tinted vegan brow gel formulated with thickening heart-shaped fibers and conditioning hemp-derived cannabis seed oil for long-lasting fullness, shape, and definition. Oh my gosh, look at the difference. I mean, I know I messed up right there and I gotta fix it, but this was like one dip. This is so impressive because usually I don't use like full brow gels like to fill them in. Like I'll outline my eyebrows in liner and then I'll like fill them in with liner too and then just go in with a tinted brow gel and kind of fill in like the spots that I missed. But as you can tell, I did not fill in anything with the brow pencil. I'm doing it purely all with this brow gel. It's pretty amazing, I can't lie. This one got a little out of control, but she did. All right, my brows are did. They're not the most even things, but whose brows are, so I feel like they look very thick right now, especially this one. But maybe it's because I just don't ever really do them this dark. I feel like it's just like right here where it looks thick and I didn't really try to define that at all. Let me try and like make them a little smaller because it's kind of crooked. All right, so I went in and just kind of like shaved this one off. Not shaved it off, but I like scraped some of this one off and it was super easy to do. So like I feel like even if you like get too much, it's very easy to fix it and make it a little smaller. Yeah, I actually really like this. Like I said, this was my first Milk makeup product, so I'm impressed. Okay, so here is my final look. I just threw on some mascara and some lips. I am very impressed with all the products except for the palette. Not because it's not a good palette, it's just I'm not a cool tone person, so I quickly learned that and I'm just not vibing with the eyes, but everything else I genuinely love and I would probably purchase on my own. So before we leave, I just want to go over like price of the whole entire box. Again, you get the box, 5 full products once a month. All all you spend is $25 plus a little bit of tax. So we had the Glam Glow, which was $54. We had the Butter London Teddy Boy eyeshadow palette, which was $28. The Milk Makeup Kush Fiber Brow Gel, which was $20. The Morphe I Got This brush set, which was $12. And finally, we had the Real Her Definer Brow Pencil, which was $16, which comes to a total of $130. Honestly, I don't know why everybody doesn't do that. I honestly don't know how BOXYCHARM does this, but they do. I'm not questioning it, and I honestly couldn't live without BOXYCHARM. That's pretty dramatic. I don't know, just getting to test out all this new makeup for $25 a month is crazy. But that is going to do it for today's video. I hope you guys like this. If you guys do want to look into purchasing BOXYCHARM for yourself, or you know, for a friend, for your family, whatever, I will have my link in the description below. This is not sponsored, but I do have a referral code that you can use that just like helps me out a little bit. I think it gives me like a few points towards my upcoming box or something. It's down in the description below. So yes, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, or make sure to comment down below. It really does help me out and support me. It's just nice to see some love sometimes. Oh, and I am super excited because last video I hit 100 subscribers. I never thought it would take me this long to get 100 subscribers, but it's literally just made me appreciate every single one of you that much more. So thank you if you have subscribed to my channel. It means the world to me, and for supporting me. Yeah, I can't wait to continue this journey. I'm getting super cheesy right now, but thank you from the bottom of my heart, and I'm so excited to continue doing what I love. So if you are already subscribed, please make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a future upload from me. And I guess until my next video, I will see you next time. Bye! Thing on my brother, stop. It says a tinted vegan brow gel. It's like in my hair. Kind of crazy. Crazy.
This brush set, oh, it's something.
I'm losing my voice.
The mower is like right there, so it's probably gonna get real loud in here. Hey guys, oh god.